Jibrani on the same day, or 8 o'clock in the morning probably. Masjid Baluchi in Mombasa and Masjid Jibrani in Matwapa. I meet with members of my team on September the 5th, and then on 6th there is the Jummah Khutbah at Masjid Rahmah. It is at 12:15, and then on the 7th Saturday, the 7th, I meet with some of the ulama at the Islamic Center Hall, and then on Sunday the 8th of September at 6:30 is a lecture at Masjid Kulthum. On the 9th I'm going to visit a fortress, and on the 10th there's a lecture at Masjid Amani in Barishiba. On the 11th I visit a village, a small village, a remote village. It's called Mwakirungi village in Kisauni. And on the 12th, September the 12th, there's a lecture at Masjid Noor in Malindi at Maghrib. On Saturday the 14th, a whole day program at the Makadara grounds in Mombasa. You'll find all of this information on my website, imranhussain.org, and this is going to be my program for Mombasa. In Nairobi, inshallah, I will arrive on the 27th of September in Nairobi, and I gave a talk for Jummah at Masjid Bilal Maiman, Jummah. And then on Saturday after Maghrib, there is a lecture at Majingo Masjid in Nairobi. And then on the 29th, Sunday the 29th, after Salatul Zuhr, at the Parklands Masjid in Nairobi. This is all for now. We hope that Allah may allow me to arrive safely in Mombasa. I'm looking forward, I'm excited about visiting Mombasa for the first time. One of the reasons for this is because the Sheikh of my Sheikh, Maulana Muhammad Abdul Alim Siddiqui, rahimahullah, visited Mombasa many times. And in fact, he met with George Bernard Shaw in Mombasa in 1935, and the conversation was recorded and published, and I have published that as a booklet, George Bernard Shaw and the Islamic scholar, the meeting that took place in Mombasa. So please make dua that Allah might allow me to arrive safely, and that Allah might bless the effort, the visit to Mombasa and to Nairobi, that it might be a successful visit, and that there will be benefit, inshallah, for those who listen to me. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.